Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview JJack's Magic, the all fixed up stuff. What is JJack's Magic, the all fixed up stuff? JJack's Magic, the all fixed up stuff is an effective clarifier that works while you are applying a pool shock, saving you considerable time in your weekly pool maintenance. Its powerful liquid formula quickly gathers microscopic particles into large enough clumps to be trapped by your pool filter, yet is compatible with all sanitizer and pool liner types. Product benefits: add to pool water weekly when shocking for sparkling clear water. Makes water sparkle. Works with all sanitizer systems. Safe on all pool finishes. Dosage: 4 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water per week. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.